Y'all, I look rough because I'm doing all my some of my home improvement projects today. So yeah, so you turn off the power for your doorbell. Then number 2, you test that, make sure that the power is off for your doorbell. Then number 3, you go to the transmitter of your doorbell, and where it says front door and transmitter, you put that little jumper that came with the Ring camera. You tighten that up. Then you go outside, you hook up the cords, the wires, you're gonna have 2 wires that are outside. You wrap them around the screws that are in the back of the Ring camera. Then you, but this is the thing, make sure that it's wrapped around well. I did it, and I kept wondering why mine wasn't turned